Hello viewers and welcome to another video from Travelers from Balkan, and this time we are in Jamaica, and as you can see, resort Bahia Principe Grand. As I said, in Jamaica it is July, month of July. The weather is really good, and I will try to make this video not too long, but long enough just to show you what can you expect if you decide to come here. And this is the grand entrance to the resort. So now we're going to go inside, and I will show you a little bit around the lobby, the swimming pool area, kids area, restaurants, and so on. So please follow me. So as I said, this is the lobby area, which looks really big. It's really interesting. It is in Caribbean style, and on your right you can see a reception area where you can check in, check out, and conduct any other services that you need. Leaving the lobby area, you will enter a sports bar where you can chill, have a drink, play some billiard, or just enjoy this beautiful area here. Have a look. From the sports bar, you can go out on the upper deck, and here there is a small stage where every night there is some live music going on. Of course, a lot of tables, a bar over there. And from here, we are going to follow what? Kingston. Let's go down the stairs, and then I will show you over there the swimming pool area. So let me just fast forward a bit. So coming down from the sports bar, you will find a spa, and let me show you this couple of slides from inside of the spa where you can get your massage, different types of massage. They are not the cheapest one that I have been, like 120, 130 USD, but that's okay. And from here you can go to the gym as well, to your right, or if you would like, down here to the main swimming pool area. Let's have a walk. Every day and every night, actually, there is something organized on the side of the swimming pool. There is a good entertainment team. There is always some kind of poolside games like volleyball, water polo, some fun stuff like tombola and things like that. So it's never boring if you like some action. So this is the main pool area. With the hibiscus bar over there. You can get the free drinks, of course, all inclusive, and most of the daily entertainment is around this area. The swimming pool is actually massive. It goes on and on. Let me show you this couple of videos from within the pool, and also some drone shots of the entire area, so you can see how big this swimming pool actually is. Now let's head down to this beach party organized by the TUI. It's a private event, so only for the TUI guests. So let's have a look. Of course, there is music, there is drinks, there is some food going on, so let's just quickly have a look. Food and some guests. Thank you very much. So thanks TUI for organizing this beach party. Every Monday we have only for us this gathering with some food, cocktails, and so on. And then from here you can find down there entrance to the hotel's beach. Let's have a look. So this is the resort's beach. It's not big, but it's cute. It's a really warm water, shallow access there, so it looks really nice with enough some beds. You can have some fun definitely here. The water is clear, there is nothing like inside that you need to worry about, so it's a really nice place to spend the day. So heading from the beach up to the hotel, there is a beach volleyball court, which is normally really busy. Today it's a bit windy, so there's nobody playing at the moment, but it's really great fun. And over here you can find a great spot for your holiday photos. Let me just quickly show you that.
If you want it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach.
So coming down from the swimming pool area, you can find one of many restaurants. We found actually this one the most beautiful one to have the breakfast and dinner. As you see, it's called Round Island Food Market. It's really nice, and I will show you a couple of slides from inside. And then going from there around the corner, you can find the rest of the rooms where we have ours as well. You can find these notice boards all over the resort. It's easy to navigate. As you can see here, we have to the right Dolce Vita restaurant, Knife to our left. We have some beach restaurant and the kids water park. Let's have a look at that kids water park now. So this is the kids water park, and let's have a walk around it to see what you can find over there. Great area for your young ones. There is a couple of slides that are really fun for them. As you can see from these couple of slides that I will post here, the water is really warm, around 32 degrees, shallow, so a great place to be with your kids. So next to the Knife restaurant, you can find a kids club where you can leave your little ones to stay pretty much all day. There is entertainment team only for the kids. It's a lot of fun for them. And then from here we can go up to Bahia Principe village. So let's just walk up the stairs. So this is the Bahia Principe village. Here you can have a small theater where every Sunday there is some sort of a reggae band playing. It's really great fun at night. You can see these couple of slides that I'm going to post here, and also there is some shops where you can come and buy some presents and things like that. So in this area you can find a doctor if you are to need one. Hopefully not, but you have one as well. Just have a look at how nice this area is, and I'm going to show you the map of this resort. So feel free to pause the video and look for yourself so you can familiarize before you come here. And of course, when you go past the reception in the lobby area, there is a lot of shops, ATM machine where you can get some money out, and of course again buy some presents or any kind of a souvenir that you would like to take home. So this is the area, as it's called, Jamrock Theater, where pretty much every night there is some kind of things going on, and I will show you a couple of examples here. You can see many different activities, and it's just a great space, and at the moment they are practicing.
When it comes to night entertainment, the program was rich and well organized. As you can see from these couple of slides, there was every night some songs, circus, dance and stunts. Have a look. This being an all-inclusive resort, of course the food is readily available. There is plenty of different well-prepared food. You can find the different restaurants, from Italian to steakhouse, Japanese restaurants and many other more. Cakes, sweets, fruits, pastas, pizzas, steaks, everything you can find, whatever you like to have for your dinner, breakfast or any other snacks. Cocktails are also free, and our favorite one was Bob Marley. Resorts offers different outdoors activities and excursions, and there is many different providers that you can find in the resort. We went with our company TUI, and we chose the Chuka Appleton State, and it was a bamboo rafting. It was really interesting experience, and after that we went on an amazing outdoors swimming pool that looked like it came straight out from the heaven. Have a look at this.
So my viewers, that's that. This is the Bahia Principe Grande here in Jamaica, and I hope you enjoyed and that this was good for you and that you can make up your decision for your next vacation. I will highly recommend this resort from the obvious reasons. So until the next video, thanks, Yaman.